Assalamualaikum and hello. Hi guys. In this video, I'm going to focus about molality, one of the concentration measurements that you've learned so far. So molality, the symbol is small letter m, is defined as the number of moles of solute per kilogram of solvent in a solution. In this case, you have to refer to the mass of solvent and the units should be in kilogram. So if you take a look carefully, the unit for molality is mole per kilogram, or you can also write it down as molal or small letter m. I derived to you the formula for molality equals to mole of solute in mole and mass of solvent in kilogram. If the mass of solvent is given in gram, you have to convert into kilogram. And please make sure in this case, mass of solution equals to the mass of solute plus mass of solvent. That's why you need to understand between these three terms, and please take note that the volume of solution is not equal to the volume of solvent. Let's try one example here. I have example 11 where I need you to calculate the molality of a solution containing 40.0 gram of KCl in 190 gram of water. So in order for you to do that, you know there is a simple formula for molality. So this is the formula for molality. In order for you to determine the mole of KCl, you need to find out the number of mole based on its mass. So you got 40.0 gram of KCl. So divide with its molar mass, you will have the value for the number of mole. Next, for the mass of water, you have the information given in gram. So you need to convert into kilogram because the units here in kilogram. So you will have this value, and the final one, molality for this solution will be 2.83 mole per kilogram. So this is the final answer. Let's continue with another one more example. Example 12. I want you to calculate the molar concentration of a solution when you dissolve 0.30 mole of CuCl2 in 40.0 mole of water. So how you want to calculate for this part? First thing first, you have to take a look at the formula of molality. So it is very important for you to memorize the formula. So you got the formula for molality is equals to mole of CuCl2, your solute here, over mass of your solvent, which is water in kilogram. So now, in order for you to determine the mass of water, you have to determine based on the number of mole of water given in the question. So I will try to calculate the mass of water first, equals to 7 to 8 gram. And next, I can straight away put the value for mass of water that I found out here into the formula for molality. So I will have 0.4162 mole per kilogram is my molality of this solution. So it is very important for you to memorize the formula, and please take out the information given from the question. I leave it to you try this so that you can practice with this example. So I'm going to do a bit summary for you that you have to take note. So I'm trying to do a bit of summarize here where the mass of solution equals to the summation of the mass of solvent and mass of solute. And you have here your solvent and you have here is your solute, and you got the solution. So the mass 100 gram plus 10 gram should be the mass of solution. And when you want to calculate the molarity, you can use the mole of solute over volume of solution. And if you want to calculate the molality, you can use the mole of solute over mass of solvent. So this is the relationship between molarity and molality. Next one, if I want to go a bit further about density, so density equals to mass of solution in gram over volume of solution in milliliter. So if I have this type of question, I can use the mass of solution that I got over the volume of solution that I will use. based on the question given. So please make sure density is a bit different from molarity and molality. And last but not least, please understand that volume of solution is not equal to the volume of solvent. So when you put 50 gram of solute into 150 ml of solvent, you cannot say that it will be 200 milliliter of solution. No, it is wrong. So I hope you are all clear with a bit information and summary based on two concentration measurements that we've learned so far. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!